afternoon, or good morning, depending on when you are taking your spelling test. Today we are taking our spelling test. I don't remember what number it is. It is the last spelling test of February, though, so that's exciting. You only have a few more left this year. You will need a piece of paper and to number your paper 1 through 18, 16. All right. Number 1, clear. I have a clear plastic bottle. Clear. Number 2, fear. I have a fear of the dark. True story, even as an adult. Number 3, deer. I saw a deer on my way to work. Also a true story. Number 3 is stare. There is one stair. How do you use a single stair? Staircase. I have a staircase in my house. That one made me think. If you know how to spell stare, you can change that to make pair. Pair. I have a pair of socks. Pair. If you can spell stare and pair, you can change it to make chair. Chair. I am sitting on a chair. The next one is sheer. If something is a little bit see-through, we say that it is sheer. For example, I have sheer curtains in my living room. And when it's super sunny and I'm trying to watch a movie, it really doesn't help closing them because the light still comes through. Sheer. If you can spell sheer, you can change it to make year. I am so glad that I get to be your teacher this year. Year. The next word is outside. I love to go outside. Outside. Except when it's muddy. I don't enjoy the mud. Your next word isn't. It isn't cold in the classroom. Isn't. Next word is turn. Will you please turn off the lights? Turn. Next one, found. I found $1 on the ground. Found. I don't think that's a true story. I find and have found pennies on the ground, but I don't think I've ever found $1. The next one, last. This is almost the last spelling word. Last. Ooh, this is your last year in the lower elementary school. Number three, you have 3 words left. The next word is top. I have no idea. All I can think of is spinning a top. Top. I'm going to put the book on the top shelf. Top. That's where I have to put my bagel. I have to put my bagel on the top shelf so that way Willow doesn't get it. She likes to steal my bagels in the morning. Next word, gave. I gave Willow some fries after dinner last night. Last word is show. Please show me your spelling words when you are done. Show. Alright. Go back through, pause where you need to, and then don't forget to turn your spelling words in. Have a great Friday and a great weekend.